Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to be able to create HTTP custom account. The first step, as usual, you're going to first download our application, which is HTTP custom, by opening the Google Play Store as I opened, and I search for the HTTP custom application. I search it, then I make sure to install this application. Then after installing the application, I'm going to open like this. After opening the application looks like this, but we don't have an account. So we're going to open in Google Chrome, and if I open in Google Chrome, I'm going to search for UDP custom. And if I search for UDP custom, I'm going to see a page like this, which is UDP configs. The pronunciation, I don't know whether it's that one, but that is it. I'm going to click on that page, that web page. So remember, this stuff works for all countries. I'm going to go here in the top right corner where there is the word menu, and I click on the word menu like this. I'm going to click on, I'm seeing a home, UDP custom app, SS servers, fish phone server, premium UDP, but I'm targeting the UDP stuff. I'm going to click on premium UDP like this. Here on this car button that looks down, that one that points down, this one, and I click on UDP custom server because I'm seeing UDP request server, UDP custom server, but I won't even mention others. I'm going to just click on UDP custom server. After clicking on UDP custom server, I'm going to scroll down because right now I'm seeing two servers. I'm seeing the United States server and I'm seeing the United Kingdom server. Let me choose based on my on what I want. Let me choose United States, and I'm going to click on that second button, which is select location, and I will select the location. I'm going to scroll like this, and I put in my username like subscribe. That's the username. The password is 12345. That is it. You are free to put in any username of your choice, but don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to share this video to your friend, family, and other of the same or of the stuff. Okay, check this button that confirms that you are not a robot, and complete that simple task they are giving you, and click the verify button. Then click on the button which is create now. Then you will be able to create. The server will be created in 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think now the server is created. Now scroll up here. Then we have HTTP custom. We have server IP, that is it, user, that is the username, the password, the duration. The duration, that one specifies the number of days will be able to be using this server. You have the expiration date, the UDP port, and the HTTP custom. Now we are going to copy this HTTP custom to our clipboard, like what I'm doing, like that. Then I copy. Then I go back. After going back, I open the HTTP custom application. Then I paste. After pasting, I'll be able to enable. I enable this UDP custom. Then I click the connect button. Now at this stage I'll enjoy the unlimited internet access. Okay, thank you guys for following Amaro's Tech. But remember, UDP custom works in specific countries, but you are free to try it in your country, and drop the comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share this video to a friend, I remain mouse stick.